All right, let's go to it. Meanwhile, the East is dealing with some stormy weather as well as parts of the Midwest. This is drone video coming in from flooding that happened in Indiana yesterday. Look how tough this is. Look at that boat trying to rescue some folks, and look how high the water is. It's almost like this little neighborhood is almost in a bit of a bowl, because at the top left-hand side of your screen, you can see some emergency vehicles, some cars parked, but look how swift the water is moving, fast and quickly and rising quickly. It's been a tough call for these folks with all of the rain that we've had here, stormy conditions. And the storm track hasn't changed much, right? We've been talking about that high pressure that's been baking portions of the plains. It starts to scoot a little bit to the east as we go through the day today and into the weekend. On the northern side of that, we continue to get these storms. Now, we have had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings this morning. One that recently expired just south of Norfolk had with a tag with it for a tornado possible. But the amount of moisture coming through, the amount of lightning, these storms are juiced up. Severe thunderstorm from Nebraska includes Burt, Cunning, Dodge, and Washington County. Could see some wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Right behind it, you still have some heavy rain that continues to move through. Omaha, stand by. With this system headed your direction, you're going to be dealing with some heavy rainfall, especially along Interstate 29, parallel to the interstate there. As you take a look at this leading edge, continues to advance to the east. So all the way from Omaha to Atlantic, Dunlap rather, you will be dealing with a bit of a very, very active start to your morning with heavy rainfall. Now, all of these storms are now moving into the Storm Prediction Center, highlighting a level 2 out of 5 severe storm threat. That does include Iowa. How many times have we been talking about you, Iowa, this week? Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, southern Ohio. And again, that's going to be the storm track today, as we've got that area of high pressure down to the south, not budging very much. These waves that have been coming through have been producing a ton of rain. And with that being said, the ground has been saturated really since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now we're going into Thursday. We have a level 3 out of 4 flash flood threat for central and southern portions of Indiana into Ohio. This is an upgrade compared to what we saw yesterday. Remember, we were level 2, so this is significant, and it's not going to take very much to cause some localized flooding here. Rivers, streams, and creeks are a major concern for some flooding here, especially across the state of Indiana. As we look to the timing for this, look at these clusters coming through for the 11 o'clock hour, 3 o'clock hour, into the commute home, and we'll take that all the way into the evening hours, round upon round, keep coming through. As far as rainfall, I'll give you the totals real quick, what we expect to come for the rest of today and into tomorrow. Several spots still reporting 2 to 3 inches of rain. That's what we've had so far. It will only take half an inch of rain to cause localized flooding in some cases.